In this class, we will learn about complex number system. Complex number system, it is one of the chapter in class 12. Complex number system, it is actually a combination of real and imaginary part. That is complex number. For example, here consider one question: how to find the complex number power? For example, value of I power n. We want to find the complex number I to the power n belongs to integer. There are many shortcuts. In this class, we will learn about a single shortcut by using we can find the value of I power something. Consider x-axis and y-axis like this. Here positive x-axis I will take it as 1. Negative, it is opposite number minus 1. Positive y-axis, it is I. Negative, that is minus I. Let me start with, so we can start with I power 0. Then I power 1, I power 2. It is like in counterclockwise direction. I power 4 1, I power 5 I power 6 minus 1, I power 7 minus I power 8, it is 1. So the power is multiple of 4 means again it will be start with 1. We can write up to infinity. It is not possible to write, therefore we can stop with any one finite number. I will finish with 15. Okay. Now let us consider one example. For example, find the value of I power 17. Write the question. Find the value of I power 17. So I power 0 start with 1, that is I power 0 1, I power 2, I power 3, I power 4, I power 5, I power 6, I power 7, I power 8, I power 9, I power 10, 11, then 12, then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 answer is actually I power 17 is I. So that is equal to I. The problem is over. So we can use this shortcut only for very less numbers like 17 or 20, 25, something. If it is like more than 100, you want to use another formula shortcut. Second one example, find the value of I power 23. Solution. Let us use the same model. We want to start with I power 0, value 1. So I power 0, next I power 1, I power 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 23 it is I power, that is I power 23 it is minus I. So this particular solution is suitable for the power is below 30. If it is above 30, we can use another way. That is formula number 1, I power 4n equal to 1, I power 4n plus 1 equal to I power 4n plus 2 equal to minus 1, I power 4n plus 3 equal to minus I. Let us go to example 2.1. Now listen the example. Problem number 1. Simplify. Subdivision number 1. I power 7. I power 7 it is equal to I power 4 into 1 plus 3. It is like 4 n plus 3. So I power 4n plus 3 formula, it is minus I. Therefore, the answer is minus I. Next subdivision. Subdivision 2, I power 1729 is equal to I power 1728 plus 1. Reason, 1728 it is multiple of 4. Let us verify. Do the normal division. 1729 divided by 4. Therefore, I power 4 into 432 plus 1. It is like I power 1. I power 1 answer is I. Take the next subdivision. Subdivision number 3. The sum of two terms. First term I power minus 1924. Second term plus I power 2018. First term it is negative power. Therefore, take the reciprocal 1 by I power 1924. The next one same. 1924. You want to verify is it divisible by 4 or not. So 1924 divisible by 4. 4 into 481. That is 1924. Reason remainder is 0. So 1 by I power 4 into 481 plus I power 208. I power 4 n formula 1. Therefore, first one is 1 by 1. Answer is 1. Second one plus I power. What is 2018? Is it multiple of 4? It is verified. It is not multiple of 4. Therefore, 4 into 504 plus 2. And 1 by 1 plus I power 2. I power 2 means it is minus 1. Therefore, 1 minus 1 it is 0. Next subdivision number 4. Summation. N equal to 1 to the power 102 I power n. Now we want to substitute n equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 102. Therefore, there are 102 terms. Start with the I power 1 plus I power 2 plus I power 3 plus I power 4 etc. The last term I power 102. But I will write some in between terms also. There is one formula for I power 1 plus I power 2 plus I power 3 plus I power 4. It is 0. Reason, the powers consecutive 4 integers. Therefore 0. Therefore, I power 1 to I power 4 it is 0. I power 5 to I power 8 it is 0. I power 97 to 100 also 0. In between many terms are 0. The last two I power 101 plus I power 102 it is not actually 0. So take it is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0. Last two terms I power 101 means it is I power 4 into 25 plus 1. Next I power 4 into 25 plus 2. I power 4 into 25 plus 1 means I power 1. Because 4n plus 1 means just 1. So that is I. Next one is minus 1 because I power 2. So answer I minus 1. Subdivision number 5. I power 1 into I power 2 into I power 3 into I power 4 etc. I power 40. Here base equal, therefore I sum of the powers I 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. up to 40. Formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Last number 40, that is n. Therefore 40 into 40 plus 1 by 2. It is I power 20 into 41. That is I power 820. 820, it is divisible by 4, since 4 times 205. So divisible by 4, therefore I power 820 is also equal to I power 0. I power 0 means 1. Now let us consider exercise 2.1. It is similar to the example problems. Simplify the following. So problem number 1, I power minus 1947, I power plus 1947 plus I power 1950. It is equal to 1947 also equal to 4 into 486 plus 3. The remainder is 3. Then 1950, it is 4 into 487 plus 2. So first one it is I power 3, second one I power 2. I power 3 means minus I power 2 it is minus 1. Answer minus I minus 1.